101 number question কি বলছে, which of the following is not an igneous rock? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, dolomite is not to igneous rock, but granite, basalt and gabbro is the igneous rock. 101 number question, explain. Dolomite is a common sedimentary rock involving mineral and compost and calcium, magnesium and carbonate. Ideally to calcium magnate CO3 2. It is the primary component of the sedimentary rock is known as dolostone, and that metamorphic rock known as the dolomitic marble. Limestone that is contained some to dolomite is the known as the dolomitic limestone. Next question, 102 number question কি বলছে যে isoline যে joining the places to of the equal to rainfall just are called. এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, isohyets, just isoline and the joining place at equal of the rainfall. 102 number question, explain. The isohyet is the line of the drawn on the map in connecting point that is received to equal to amounts of the rainfall in a given to period. If map of the isohyet is the called isohytal map. Next question, 103 number question কি বলছে যে ম্যাগনেটিক মেরিডিয়ান ইজ এ, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number D, plane passing through the magnetic north and magnetic south of the earth, just and magnetic and meridian. 103 number question, explain. The magnetic meridian is a line or the earth and surface approximating and grade of circle of the passing through the north and southern magnetic pole. It is can be taken this horizontal as component is magnetic pole and line to along the surface of the earth a compass and needed to and parallel to the magnetic of meridian. Next question, 104 number question কি বলছে the term and dwarf means, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, a land of between two river to the term of the dwarf of means. 104 number question, explain. The dwarf is the term of use in India and Pakistan for the tongue of the track of the land of lying between two converging on the confluent of river. It is the similar on in interflow in the Oxford of Hindi English Dictionary. RSMC Gregor defines it is the adjacent to lying and between and reaching to the confluence of the two river, etc., that between the Ganges and Jamuna. Next question, 105 number question কি বলছে a group of the interconnected in Iceland is known as, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, archaeology, just a group of the interconnected of Iceland. 105 number question, explain. And archaeology, the sometime to call an Iceland and group of the Iceland of the chain. It is the chain of the cluster or collection of the Iceland, Indonesia and Japan, and then Philippines of New Zealand, the Maldives, and then Brahmos and Greece of the Hawaii and the Azores, an example to of the well-known and archaeology. Next question, 106 number question কি বলছে that disconnected the line and drawn on the map of the showing of slope. এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number D, Hachare, this is connected of line of the drawn on the map of the showing of the slope. 106 number question, explain. Hatcheries and the shortest disconnected line of drawn on the map of depict the slope is ground of surface that is drawn on the rows and each is row and being of the disconnected from of the other. They are in short and closely and space and step of the slope and relatively long and widely spaced and gender of the slope. The hatcheries is not too dominant for its level areas such as of the flat and valley or plateau top. Next question. 107 number question কি বলছে যে সোয়েন ইজ গ্রানাইট রক জাস্ট কেরিয়ার মেটামরফোসড এন্ড দে ফ্রম এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, Chinese, just as when is granite is rock is the metamorphosed they from. 107 number question explain. Gneiss is the high grade of metamorphic rock as formed and by the metamorphosis of the granite, which is the sedimentary rock. Gneiss is the typically associated with the major in the mountain building in episode that it is often in the folded and composed layer. The sheet is like in planar structures characterized by the alternating and this is the darker and lighter in color of the band called genesis of the bending. Next question. 108 number question কি বলছে সিঙ্ক হোল ইজ এ ফিনোমেনা অফ এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number D, karst, this is of the sinkhole of this the phenomena. 108 number question explain the scars of the topography a landscape and from the dissolution of the soluble rock and such as the limestone. Dolomite is the gypsum and characterized by an underground of the drainage system within sinkhole and that caves a sinkhole and the depression on a hole and the ground of the caused by some is from the collapse of the surface layer. They are in common in the than rock and below the land surface and limestone and other carbonate rock that is can be to dissolve naturally by circulating groundwater. Next question. 109 number question কি বলছে a landscape which is the cause due to the fissure in the earth is along which is one side has moved in down in the difference to the earth is known as এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, Rift Valley. 109 number question explain just a rift valley of the linear shape is lowland is caused due to the feature of the earth is along which one of the side of move down of the reference to each other. It is the commonly seen is between two several highland and mountain ranges of the created by the action the geologic rift of a fault. A rift valley is from a divergent split in boundary a crucial to extension of the spreading effort of the surface. Next question. 110 number question কি বলছে smolten rock is below the surface of the earth is called এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number D, magma just as molten rock and below the surface of the earth is called. 110 number question just magma is an mixture and motion of the semi-molten rock is brittle and solid that is found on beneath in the surface of the earth. When is magma to erupt under from volcano other wind bent the molten rock is the referred is this lava when is the lava cools on the earth surface and then from the solid of the structure it is the called an igneous rock.